How's it going, everybody? You are here today with North Alabama Hiking, and today I'm at the Muscle Shoals Reservation TVA trails. And for today's video, I want to talk about the old railroad bridge. It has a walkway. As you can see, you can walk across this bridge all the way over to the barge lane over there. It's a pretty cool spot, pretty easy to access. You don't have to walk a long way to get to it. There's a parking area very close to it, but there's several miles of trails along the reservation if you want to do those too. But I want to talk about this little short section because it's really cool, and I'm a bit of a history buff, so I love this kind of stuff. This railroad bridge was actually built prior to the Civil War, and during the Civil War was actually burned down, I believe, by Confederate troops to prevent the Federal Army from crossing over. But it was rebuilt, and if you see at the very top part, that's actually where the train went over, and the bottom part right there was for pedestrians and at one time horse and buggy traffic, or cars for a while, until over there Old O'Neill Bridge was built in the 1930s, I believe. So the section of it that you don't see was a drawbridge section that would raise up for river traffic, and they took it out, I want to say sometime in the 80s. So but you can walk to the end, and this is used as a walkway, walking path for folks. It's very neat. It is a incredibly scenic walk, very easy to do, and like I say, you can walk along the shoreline path to get to it, or you can park up top. So I'll just show you on camera. It's pretty grown up right here, but take you on a short walk of it and just let you see what you can enjoy if you decide to come up here. So right up here at the top, you can see this mural that was painted a few years ago. To me, that's really cool. You have your historical sign right there that gives you the information on the bridge. And over here it's like names of people involved with it. And I think some names that were mentioned on here in people's honor. As you can see, you get an excellent view of, if you can see off in the distance, that's Renaissance Tower and Singing River Bridge and Wilson Dam. And over here to your left is Old O'Neill Bridge. So here we are at the end of the railroad bridge, and where some people leave a little graffiti, a lot of locks, and if you can see, this is the underwear tree where people like to throw their underwear for some reason. Some grain silos over there, but this is a good place to watch barge traffic come through. So we'll take you for a little longer stroll right up through here. This is an excellent hike to do in the fall when the leaves change colors, as you get such a great view of the trees along the bluffs beside the river. And just to show you, if you've never been here before, there is several miles of hiking trails along the reservation. If you look, starting way over there around Wilson Dam, the rock pile trail goes all the way to about in that general direction, where you see that bluff over there. And then there's another trail that goes from there and will connect you to the bridge here. And there's a parking area near the end of the bridge, so you don't have to walk far if you just want to walk on the bridge. That's about 3 miles one way if you start over at the rock pile recreation area near the dam and hike your way to this bridge. But it is a very scenic hike. You get up on some of those bluffs a little bit, you get some good views looking out. You'll get great views of Wilson Dam. A lot of historical kind of stuff, if you're interested in that you'll see along the way. There's the, of course, the dam itself, with the kiosk on that end to give you information. The old Civil War fort, which is not too far from where we're at. So there's a lot of neat opportunities to get in some good hikes and also enjoy history. So anyway, thanks for tagging along with me, and I'm going to try to get more videos out more frequently in the future. I had a person comment on one of my videos, and they said I always start my videos out with "I am with North Alabama Hiking," when I should say "you are with North Alabama Hiking," and that's true. It's just me. I'm here on my own, and I do these videos to kind of let you get in on the experience or give you information. And I think I need to say, you are here with North Alabama Hiking. You are the reason I'm doing this. And I'm sharing the experience with you when you watch these videos. So, and I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, and I don't get a lot of views, and that's okay. I don't have YouTube figured out. I don't know all the fancy algorithms, and but the few of you that do watch, I'm glad you do, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope I can make your experience a little bit better in future videos. Thanks, and have a great day.